Hi guys, we're here in Manila Zoo and I'm very excited to tour you around. Actually, it's been like 10 years since the last time I'm here in Manila Zoo, and about 10 years ago I was here with my brother, and there was also a time that I showed my mom Manila Zoo and Luneta Park. So this time around, after 10 years, we're gonna visit again Manila Zoo. And I've heard that this has been renovated by former Mayor Isko Moreno, so I'm very excited to show around and to show you also what Manila Zoo looks like. We asked the guard regarding the entrance. We actually paid online. The fee for the entrance is 300 pesos if you are not a Manila resident, but if you're a local and you are a Manila resident, it's only 150 pesos. And for my convenience, I booked online at the website of Manila Zoo. So you can do that as well to avoid falling in line because the line is long. So, hey, online.
Yes po. Ilan po kayo? Dalawa?
Dalawa lang.
Okay na po yun, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So guys, that's how they verify our ticket because I booked online. So I have here QR code for me and my companion today. So welcome to Manila Zoo. Let's check what's inside. Huh? Welcome! Okay. So we're here on our first stop. It's the Asian elephant. And that's the elephant over there. Okay. How many are they? Only one, right? Okay, so there's only one elephant. And this is my companion today, Michael. Michael is applying for a Philippine military. Philippine Army. Philippine Army, and he's the cousin of my cousin. He's free, so I asked him to accompany me here in Manila Zoo. So this is the apex predators. It says the white Bengal tiger. So where's the tiger? It's the tiger. Oh look, the tiger is there, and there are kids here watching the tiger, enjoying Manila Zoo. Oh, there's another tiger. Oh, there's the white tiger. And then here is the brown tiger. Okay. So on this side we have the double-wattled cassowary. Is this peacock or what? Let's check the animals. It's not a peacock. It's a different bird. Ano? Oh, it says Philippine deer. Okay. It says Philippine deer. So weird. Oh, there's a giraffe over there. Oh. There's the lion. So again, there are kids here watching the animals. So right now we're gonna check the Philippine endemic, and I think these are birds. Okay, wow. Wow. Wow, look at this view. It's beautiful. This is a kind of bird. It looks like an eagle. So Michael, how do you find the Manila Zoo? Do you find it okay? Michael said the last time he was here was in 2004. Okay. Brahiminicrite. And these are white-collared dog. So where's the... Oh, okay. There's the dog. Alright. Hanggang mga ibon lang lahat dito eh. Yun, these are Philippine swampfin. Oh, turtle! Okay, turtle. We're here in the reptile section, so we just saw the crocodile and then the lizard is there. I'll show it to you. Okay, so there's the lizard. Alright. So this time around, we're gonna check that section over there and let's see what's in there. Kuya, anong size tong milk tea? Anong size yung milk tea, te?
Yung sa
Yung bigas nyo?
yung mismo po.
Okay.
Tapos ito po yung mismo.
Mismo?
Dito po, yung sa maliliit po.
This time around, we're gonna check the butterfly garden. So there are different species of butterflies here, but they're in a frame. And we'll check if there are actual live butterflies over there. So these are the parts of a butterfly. We have the wing veins, the head, antenna, proboscis, thorax, legs, abdomen, and wings. And this is the butterfly life cycle. From the cocoon to the caterpillar, there's eggs and the adult butterfly. Very beautiful. Oh wow, I love it. Okay, let me just put my microphone over here so you can hear me. Wow, this is beautiful. Mike, I thought walang buhay. I thought there's no live butterflies, but they have. This is beautiful. Oh, what's that? Oh, birds. Okay, birds. And they have here like a, I don't know what to call this, but it's so beautiful. Well, see, oh, there's butterfly. Can you see the butterfly? Oh, very cute, very cute. And it says here, please do not touch the butterflies. Okay, okay, see? The butterfly is here. Live butterflies. Sige, dun ka, dun ka. Smile. Ako naman. Ang cute naman ng mga frames. Puro butterfly. There are a very few places in Manila where you can feel like you're in a province or you're in a forest. And I believe Manila Zoo is one of the best forest-like feeling that you can visit here in Metro Manila. I don't know if there are others, but what I know is there's something in La Mesa that's I'm not sure if it's Caloocan or Quezon City, but I've passed there before. The feeling is also like you're in a mountain because there are many trees. There's also lake there where there's a source of water. Guys, we're now here near the exit of Manila Zoo. So this is the final site. So in this area, they have the snack area, and that's already the exit. But I'm gonna go to the ladies' room first. And for you guys who wants to visit Manila Zoo, you can check the website of the Manila Zoo. Just type it in Google, Manila Zoo, and then you can book your ticket there. Since I lived in Manila, my entrance fee for the ticket is only 150. But if you live outside Metro Manila, the entrance is 300 pesos. And if you cannot pay online, so what you can do is to go here in Manila Zoo at the entrance fee. So that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoy our travel. If you have more places that you want me to visit here in Manila, just comment down below.